This segment of CoastLife is sponsored by Browseabout Books.
CoastLife, we know that you like to give back to our community, and we know that some of our favorite local businesses love giving back to the community as well, including one of your favorite bookstores and one of our favorite bookstores, Browseabout Books. That is why Susan Kehoe is joining us on the CoastLife couch, along with Katie Millard from Habitat for Humanity. And you guys are teaming up for something really special. You're just one of many nonprofits that Browseabout is giving back to this week. Susan, tell us why.
So the week of September 18th through 24th, Browseabout is donating 25% of our sales to 7 different local nonprofits. Wow. So it's going to be the proceeds are going to be divided up equally between the 7 nonprofits. Nice. And Browseabout's been in business for almost 50 years. Yes. Next year is our 50th anniversary, and we thought this was a great time to reinforce to our community how much, as a local business, we give back. The original owners, Steve and Barbara Crane, were always giving back to the community, and my husband and I, since we've purchased the business, we have really also made that part of our core values. So this is our first annual Grand Giving Week, and we hope to make it, a thing every single year.
Awesome. Now, Katie, you with the Habitat for Humanity are one of the recipients of some of this fundraising. Tell us a little bit about what you guys do and what you could do with some of these funds.
Absolutely. And first, I just want to say thank you so much for including us. We are honored. Browseabout is one of my favorite bookstores. I was there just this weekend. So
I start every Monday saying I was there just this weekend.
Right? I bought a lot of interesting stuff. So thank you so much for all you do for the community. Sussex County Habitat for Humanity has been around not quite 50 years, but we have been here since 1991. Nice. We have a few major programs that we try and make sure that everybody has access to safe and affordable housing throughout Sussex County. So some might be familiar with our affordable homeownership program, where we provide homeownership opportunities for Sussex County residents. We also have a home repair program, and we have financial literacy coaching that's free. Nice. So all of our programs really aim to make sure that people can access safe and affordable housing, which is unfortunately not a reality for a lot of people in Sussex County.
Yeah, no, that's very true. It's a sad statistic, but a true statistic. And I've seen some of the work that you guys do, and it really is wonderful and heartwarming to see all the work that you do. So for people who are maybe looking to get involved with Habitat for Humanity in Sussex County, how can they volunteer with you guys or participate in events?
Absolutely. So we have a website. All of our information is listed on our website. If you would like to volunteer, you can volunteer as an individual, you can volunteer as a group. It's a lot of fun to come out as a business because it's team building. Yeah. You can see who swings a hammer. You might want to avoid some people who swing a hammer, but you learn a lot of new skills, and doing that with coworkers is really valuable. We have a few events coming up. We have some things that are on our website, and I would just recommend everybody follow that. And just getting involved, like Browseabout Books. Thank you so much for doing this Giving Week. And I know that all of the nonprofits are extremely worthy. So we're just honored to be participating in that and to be part of that group. So thank you so much for doing that.
Well, as a local business, we really do feel like that is our mission. We strive to have a business that supports its employees, that supports our customers, and also our community. That's the difference between a local store and a chain store. We want to be hands-on and want to be involved.
Absolutely.
Just like you guys.
And you feel that difference when you walk through the doors of Browseabout. I can't tell you how many times I've been there, but I also can't tell you how many times I've been there. And your staff has greeted me with just super friendly faces, and they're like, "Oh, we saw you last week," and "Oh, you bought this," all kinds of stuff that you guys have, whether it's merch, whether it's books, whether it's gifts. I know that the holiday season is also coming up, so now's a great time to start knocking out some of that holiday shopping at Browseabout, and for this whole week, you'll be doing it for a good cause.
And you don't have to say anything at the cash register. You don't have to name your nonprofit. Yep. You don't have to make a big deal out of it. We've made this as easy as possible. Literally,
good to hear.
Walk through the doors, spend some money, and that's all you have to do.
Easy enough for me.
I love that.
Sounds good. I know what my weekend plans are.
You'll see me this weekend.
Excellent. Now, Susan, before we let you go, you also said that your staff kind of came up with the charities that you guys are giving back to this week. Yeah. How did you kind of work through that process and come to your decisions? Because there's a lot of great nonprofits nonprofits in our area?
So we did a little doodle poll with the staff and let everyone vote, and it's funny because they were all so excited about it. And we donate to nonprofits all year long. It's not just this week, and so next year, we'll vote again, and it's going to be a different cadre of nonprofits. So, we just really want to get everyone involved: the staff, the community, our nonprofits.
Yes, absolutely. Well, Susan, thank you for all that you guys do with Browseabout Books, and Katie, thank you for all that you do with Habitat for Humanity in Sussex County. This is a great team up. I'm really excited to see what happens this year and to see this kind of giving, this grand giving week come back year after year. It's going to be a lot of fun. Well, thank you guys, and you know that your dollar is going to go a little bit further this week at Browseabout Books, but we're going to take a quick break. When we get back, we're talking some more charity events that you can participate